This is the lift frame harness. You'll install these two plugs to the module, or the long harness goes to the driver's side light. The short one goes to the curb side light. All the loose wires, these will go to your coil. These two plugs will go to the plugs on the front of the truck. These two plugs will go in behind the lift frame. When they're not in use, these two plugs will plug together. So these plugs you'll plug into the module. You line up the teeth, and you'll take a 1/4 inch driver and you'll tighten the bolt. Now you only tighten the bolt by hand, and you'll want to tighten it until it gets snug. Don't over tighten it because you will break the bolt. Install the multiplexing module on the inside of the lift frame on the curb side. And before you install the module, you want to install the lift frame harness. The short harness for the light goes on the curb side. The long one goes to the driver's side. Install the individual wires to the coils following the instructions. After the install, zip tie all the wires together. The excess wires, you could just zip tie them to the harness and keep them out of the way. Make sure the power unit is bolted tight, and make sure you take the excess wires and hoses and zip tie them tight to the lift frame so they don't rub a hole against the bumper.